Good morning everyone, my name is Krisha Kalusin. Topic is about visual impairment. Visual impairment refers to a significant limitation of one's ability to see even with correction. It can range from partial sight to total blindness and can be caused by various factors, such as eye disease, injuries, or congenital condition. Support and accommodation like braille or screen readers can assist individuals with visual impairments in daily activities. There are 4 levels of visual function according to the International Classification of Disease. Normal vision. Normal vision is ito yung maayos at malinaw mong makikita kung anong meron sa iyong paligid. Ang moderate visual impairment naman is ito yung minsan ay hindi gaanong malinaw na paningin. Halimbawa, pag nagbabasa ka, is hindi mo siya gaanong mabasa dahil nga malabo ang iyong paningin. Ang severe visual impairment at blindness is parang same lang naman sila dahil nga kahit nasa harapan mo na ang isang bagay, nahihirapan ka pa rin na makita. Moderate visual impairments combined with severe visual impairments are grouped under the term low vision. Low vision taken together with blindness presents all visual impairment. Low vision is usually caused by eye disease or health condition. Some of these include age-related macular degeneration, cataract, diabetes, and glaucoma. Eye injuries and birth defects are some other causes. Whatever the cause, lost vision cannot be restored. It can, however, be managed with proper treatment and vision rehabilitation. Low vision is, ito nga yung pag may babasahin ka at kahit na nakasalamin ka, ay malabo or blurred pa rin ang iyong paningin. Features of visual impairment. There are many signs that can indicate low vision. Tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, low vision is ito yung nahihirapan tayo na makita or maaninaw kung ano man ang nasa ating paligid. Tulad na lang ng mga bus sign and street sign, yung mga store sign, at nahihirapan din tayo na ma-recognize yung mukha ng ating mga kaibigan and relatives. Vision change like this could be early warning sign of eye disease. Usually, the earlier your problem is diagnosed, the better your change of undergoing successful treatment and keeping your remaining vision. Isa sa warning sign ng pagkakaroon ng eye disease ay yung pagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa ating paningin. Halimbawa, may times na nagbe-blurred yung paningin mo pag tumitingin ka sa isang bagay. Maximizing potentials of learner with visual impairments. Go through a learning media assessment to determine maximizing potential of learner with visual impairment. Go through a learning media assessment to determine what medium of learning is best. Braille, print, dual media, auditory strategies, object, symbol, or some combination. Allow the use of assistive technologies that are helpful for the learner. Convert book and learning tools in a format that is accessible to the learner. Read aloud using stories and books that are interesting and appropriate from the learner. Use paper strategies including print, magnification, and braille. E-text strategies include tracking, auditory support, and refreshable braille. Auditory strategies including readers and auditory books. Myths about visual impairments. Yung mga taong bulag or yung may visual impairment ay wala nang halos nakikita. 10 to 15% sa kanila ay halos madilim na ang nakikita. Pero karamihan sa kanila naman ay mayroon pa rin namang kaunting paningin na natitira. Nakakaaninaw pa naman sila ng mga color at form perception.